Here's a quick tip for people who are struggling with their goals. If you've ever found that working on your goals feels difficult, then you're going to want to hear this. Sometimes the way we think about working on our goals feels like a sacrifice. Think about it. If one of your goals is to eat healthier, what do we sacrifice? Junk food. We feel like in order to become healthier, we have to give up the junk food and then go ahead and eat those healthier options. We usually call this a diet, and a diet feels like work. But what if these changes could feel more natural to you? What if instead of sacrificing junk food, we no longer wanted to eat junk food? What if we changed our mindset around our identity? And with that new identity as a healthy person, we no longer wanted to put junk food in our bodies. Now we're interested in what healthy food can do for us. So instead of working so hard on goals that don't really align with your identity, focus on becoming the type of person that you want to be so that you'll want to do the things that achieve those goals.